He got a gun on me right now. I'm out here working. They got their guns on me. Man. Hey, I'm out here DoorDashing. I'm not who y'all looking for. I'm not who y'all looking for.
What's up, people, and welcome back to Cameras Everywhere. Today's video comes to us from the Kern County Sheriff's Office and shows a sergeant mistake a delivery driver for an alleged attempted murder suspect. According to police, both men are black males in their mid-20s, of average height and build, and have black hair and brown eyes. The video in question shows a man named Jasper Slack who is stopped in a Walmart parking lot. He's held at gunpoint, told helicopters are watching him from above, and threatened with a canine while he quickly complies with police demands. He's ID'd, cuffed, searched, and placed in the back of a patrol vehicle. His ID and the search of the vehicle are both achieved by consent. Now we're going to pick up the video right here, as Kern County Sheriffs finally confirm that they indeed have the wrong man. Watch as the lead sergeant asks a few more intrusive questions before he frees Mr. Slack from captivity. Among the smiles and laughs, the sergeant compliments the innocent man on his total compliance, noting that his submission is the safe way and that this happens a lot. Check it out, and if you want to watch the full-length version of this video or a full interview with Mr. Slack, I'll post links in the description so you can do that. Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, the true test of liberty is the right to test it.
I'm out here working. I'm trying to make money to pay my bills.
Do they look exactly alike?
And that doesn't look like him. Well, cause I'm going like this. that is not him. Look at that.
Yeah.
Y'all can call my girl. I just came from the house.
Watch your foot, brother.
Hey, so where were you going right now?
I'm DoorDashing.
Okay. And that's what you do for a living?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all can even check my phone. I'm probably missing out on orders.
The last picture you have when you got arrested, what were those charges for? Looking at that picture, looking even at the picture I showed you.
Y'all ain't even get on my Facebook though. Get on my Facebook, man.
They're different? That's what I'm saying. We looked at it, right? We looked at it. So the way you are now to the picture that I just showed you, very similar, right?
Not to me.
Oh, to you it's not, but to us it is. That's why when we saw it, like, but this is how you do it safe. Did you get hurt?
My wrist is hurting. I'm missing out on money.
Step out. We're gonna take your handcuffs off. Step out.
How y'all think
You're not injured, man. You're not injured.
Man, but how y'all think this make me feel though? Like I'm supposed to be happy about this?
Absolutely not. You don't have to be, but we're doing our job. So put your hand on your chest.
I understand that.
Right. Put your hand on your chest.
I understand. I feel some type of way about it.
And that's fine. I mean, we understand that too. This happens a lot.
I better suck me in the cop.
What's that?
I said I better suck me in the cop because y'all gotta do this shit.
It does, but look how we're not disrespecting you no way. We brought you out nice and calm, handcuff you, put in the seat, let us investigate.
Y'all compare me to that ugly man.
You're so upset over that. We're not comparing you to him. We said a picture looks like you guys look alike in a picture. That's it. That's not an insult, man. It's not.
But an ugly man, to me it is.
You're like the same beard, and you're the same height, same build.
Everything.
He not built like. I be going to the gym, bro. He not built like me, bro.
I saw your workout.
You see?
Yeah. That's your fault.
Go make your money, man. Sorry about that. Go make your money.
Y'all can't say, man. When y'all can't say, man, y'all carrying what y'all did to me. Tell me, I'm looking for him too, shit.
Alright, we're going on.
By the way, this gentleman killed his mother and his sister. Do you have that on tape?
Yeah, nigga.